Nowadays, all of our work involves looking at our phone and workplace device for a long period. Every now and then, you will see the wallpaper of these devices. Even if you are looking at this image for a micro sound, the wallpaper can still have an impact on you. A simpler example of a phone wallpaper is a picture in the wallet. Many of us don't see the picture purposely, but when we do, it has an effect on our body. Similarly, when we see the wallpaper, it has an effect on our day and our feeling. First is wallpaper display who we are. In today's time, every gadget has an option for customization. Phone and laptops are no different, and they give users the option to set their own choice of picture as a wallpaper. You can judge a person from the wallpaper they set. For example, if they are self-observed, most of likely they will post a photos of themselves. If someone needs motivation in their life, they will post a motivational quotes as their wallpaper. This also acts as a reminder to the user that they need to continue working on their goal. A few people also post a picture of their favorite character or quotes from a movie or TV serials. The logic behind is that they feel happy whenever they see these quotes and character. And the second is you can use wallpaper to change your attitude. Now that we know that wallpaper on your phone and workspace has an impact on you, you can use this impact effect to change your attitude or iron out a small mistake in your daily routine. If you forget to eat medicine, you can set your device's wallpaper to change at a certain interval, and whenever you see them, you would know that you will have a take medicine. Similarly, if you want to build motivation for a workout or studies, you can use wallpaper which forces you to work out or study. This can be a long process of trial and error. Hence, you shouldn't be over dependent on only this technique. You can use a quite a lot of small changes in your life to send subtle sign to your brain. And third is wallpaper can also promote negative synergy. The first and obvious negative impact is that your brain wouldn't make a change seriously unless it is on your wallpaper. As we know that there can be only one wallpaper at a time. This would make any change in your life difficult if it is not on your wallpaper. Secondly, you will spend quite a lot of time about what would you put on your wallpaper. If things aren't working well inside of looking at the problem, you would be inclined to change the wallpaper as it is an easy option. In last conclusion of this video, although we might not look or think much about our wallpaper, but it is clearly has a big impact on our life. Plus, It can be used to change your mood or deliver subtle signals to your brain. So next time, if things aren't working like the way you thought, try changing your wallpaper.